Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark your messages on Instagram as unread using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Instagram, tap your profile, click the three lines on the upper right corner. Then go to Settings, click Account, then click Switch to Professional Account. Then click Creator. Next, select a category, example, an artist. Select Done. Click Skip. Then let's go to our DMs. Choose message you want to unread. Just long press, then click Mark as unread. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!